Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Eliazar. So today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-reset ng ating printer na L120. So Epson L120. Okay, so karamihan na problema ngayon, no? Kasi bilang isang teacher, ang dami nating dapat i-print, no? Sobrang dami nating dapat i-print. Naranasan mo na ba na minsan nahihirapan ka na mag-print dahil na-encounter mo to? Alright, so na-encounter mo ang pag-on mo ng printer mo at nagbi-blink, no, simultaneously yung green at saka red. So pag na-encounter mo yon, so napakadaling gawin. So mayroon namang nakalagay naman doon sa usually sa monitor mo or sa laptop mo, nakalagay to. So the printer ink pad is at the end of its service life. So it means you need to reset your printer, no? You need to reset your printer. So para bago ulit, no, yung kanyang ink pad. So yan, pag napuno na kasi yun, you need to reset. So how are you going to reset? So karamihan sa atin, pag nag-reset, naisip agad natin, service center. Punta tayo ng service center, tapos pa-reset. So kunting reset lang, magbabayad kayo ng 300 to 500 pesos. Di ba? So yan kalimitan ginagawa natin. Pumunta service center, magbabayad ng 300 to 500 pesos. So sa panahon natin ngayon, ang laki na ng perang yan. So marami ng magawa or mabili. Maliban doon, mag-travel ka papunta sa service center, so oras mo ninakaw na. So, ituturo ko sa inyo para makatipid ka paano i-reset. So, madali lang naman pag-reset eh. Unang-una, you must have a resetter. No? So, kung wala kang resetter, you may download. So, tapusin mo lang yung video. Mamaya, bibigay ko sa iyo yung link, no? Yung link ng feed ng resetter, then you can reset your printer. Okay. So, tayo na guys, tuturo ko sa iyo step by step para mas madali mo maintindihan, madaling masundan.
Okay, ang muna natin gawin is mag-download tayo ng resetter. So, punta tayo sa website. So, ito na yung website. No, ito ang i-click mo, wag yung nasa taas kasi nasa taas na download ay yun ay advertisement. So yung nasa baba, yung kulay blue, yun yung i-click mo para ma-download mo yung file. Ayan, pag-click mo, mayroong mag-pop up. So kailangan natin i-X yan kasi that's also an advertisement. So sa baba, may makikita ka na ganyan na wordings. Do you want to continue? So you're going to keep in order for you to keep the files kasi alam naman natin hindi yun virus eh. So as you click, then it will goes on. Now it will download the file, then antayin mo lang para fully downloaded na siya at pwede mo nang magamit. But before that, before mo magamit, kailangan pa nating i-extract, no? So i-extract yung files para magamit natin yung resetter na dinownload natin. So, ganun lang yun. So, tingnan natin doon sa downloads. So, pagpunta natin sa downloads, doon na. Okay, so may mag-pop up na ganyan. So, you read. So, pag binasa mo yan, mayroon, ibig sabihin na parang sinabi niya na virus has been detected. But you're going to click this one, yung mini yan, and click run anyway. Okay, so you are going to run in order to extract the files. Okay, pagkatapos marahan mo siya, then nakalagay na ganyan. So tingnan mong maigi. Okay, so follow the steps. Okay, so after following use the browser, then that one, then sa baba mayroon diyang browse. So you're going to browse kung saan mo ilalagay yung file na in-extract mo. Pero ako usually, I suggest that you place that one in your desktop para mas madaling mag-reset kayo if ever mag-reset na kayo. So, click PC, then desktop. Okay, desktop. So, once you click OK, so, pag nag-download na yon, click extract. So, once the file extracted, ayan, nanghingi siya ng password. So, tandaan natin yung password. Okay, mayroon po talagang password. So, yung password mamaya is ibibigay ko sa inyo yung password. Pero, kailangan natin ng konting halaga para to maintain our channel, no? So, murang halaga lang naman. So, ayan, na-extract na siya. So, sunod, extracted na. Nandun na yung files. So, ang sunod natin gawin is click the files, then lalabas na doon yung mga open. Yan. So, nandoon na lahat na instructions, so forth and so on. So, you choose yung nasa pinakataas. Okay, click that one. Double click or right click, then run. So, that's it. Pwede ka na mag-umpisa pag Alright, kung nalilito ka, paano? So, meron naman nakalagay dyan ng Epson L120 resetter instructions. So, titingnan mo lang yan. Or you can message me in my Facebook page and I will answer all your questions.
Alright, good thing is yung resetter na download natin is unlimited. So you can use it in your printer and printers of your friends. No? So para kikita ka, magpabayad ka sa kanila ng 100 pesos or 50 pesos. It's up to you kung magkano yung pabayad mo. Okay. Right click, add prog, then open. Then there is something that will pop up, this one. All you have to do is to choose the printer na gagamitin mo. Make sure to connect the printer, cable printer to your laptop para ma-detect siya kung ano yung printer na i-reset mo. So in my case, so you can see this, there is Epson L120 series kasi yan ang nakakonect sa aking laptop. After that one, you click OK. Alright, so click OK. Then, the right side you can choose. Okay, choose sequential adjustment mode. Then after that one, ito na pipiliin mo with pad counter. Then click OK. So if you click OK, this one will pop up. Then check for check. Then right check, and the counter will. Okay, so we'll put the number kung ilan na yung max na na-reach na yung maximum. Then click again. Okay, then after that one, you are going to click yung nasa baba, initiate. Then after initiating, there's instructions to turn off your printer. Then click OK. Alright, so then after that one, turn on your printer. Once turn on, click OK. Okay, nag-initiate pa yung printer natin. So, kailangan natin antayin hanggang mag-turn on yung printer para magamit na natin siya at ma-refresh na yung number sa counter niya, sa wishpad counter into 0. So, it means bago na ulit. Kaya nag-initiate pa yung printer natin. So, once done, you are going to click OK. Alright. So, pag na-okay na siya, then, that's the time that you are going to click yung nasa baba, finish. No? Ayan, nag-restart pa yung printer natin. So, wait natin. Okay, okay na. So, we are going to click OK. So, pag okay na yung printer. So, start na. So, you are going to click finish.
sa baba, nasa baba, finish. Okay, so exit all of that. No, kailangan na exit natin lahat. And here we go. Done na ang pag-reset ng printer natin. So pwede na ulit gamitin ang printer natin, no? And ganun lang kadali yung pag-reset. So kung gusto nyong matulungan pag-reset niyo yung printer, so yung resetter natin ay bibigay ko sa inyo sa murang halaga lamang yung password. I think 30 pesos is enough. So for only 30 pesos para lang to support our what we call channel, no, para tuloy-tuloy tayong mag-upload ng mga dapat i-upload upang matuto kayo ng mabilisan. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa akin. God bless us all.